Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and we got here another drone and it's the VISUO XS809W drone. So it's a little confusing that they have these numbers and letters as their drones, pero as long as mura siya, wala akong iingay dito. Kasi again, this one is available at Steve Kyle Marketing at Lazada for only 2,698 pesos for the 0.3 megapixels and 2,998 pesos for the 2 megapixels na camera. Okay, so actually para sa akin yung konting dagdag na yun, malaking difference na. So I suggest that you get the 2 megapixel na variant ng drone na to. But again, before we unbox this drone, so first things first, let's talk about the specifications. So we got here again, 0.3 megapixels camera for the lower variant and the 2 megapixels dun sa mas mahal na variant. And then we also got here the remote distance of 100 meters or less. Medyo malayo naman yung kaya niyang abutin. Especially sa mga mahilig mag-drone siya na malayo. Though medyo kabangan na pag sobrang layo. Kasi baka mawala, mag-crash bigla. Hindi mo na makita ever. Anyway, the battery is 3.7 volts with 900 milliamperes. Here's my favorite part dito. So it's longer. It's 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. And the charging is actually shorter at 60 minutes. Mamaya makikita natin yung battery niya. Malalaman natin kung ano ba meron sa battery ng VISUO XS809W. So it also comes with a 6-axis gyroscope, altitude hold function, and of course a 1-key return function, which means maglaland lang siya with the press of a button. So sa mga hindi marunong magland, like me, very useful ang feature nito. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox this drone. Yan. So as you can see here, we got here the foldable UAV. So this is the manual of drone. So unboxing this one, okay, wow, gusto ko yung feel niya. Gusto ko yung tsura niya. Yan. Black and gold. Really sleek. Medyo maganda tignan. Kamaya natin pag-usapan to. Of course, we got here the controller. So yan, wala tayo. Isa lang yung shoulder button sa atin. Isa lang. May pag-usapan natin yan. Then, yan, sa ilalim. Naka-plastic pa. Yan. So, kunin lang natin. So we have 4 propellers that are included dito. And then, of course, oh, here's the good part about this one. Meron tayong propeller guard. So, hindi tayo masusugatan ng basta-basta dito sa drone natin na gagamitin. And then, of course, we got here the screwdriver. And also the charger. Here's the interesting part about the charger. It's micro USB. So it's really useful and super dali siyang hanapin in case na masira mo yung charger mo. Wala kang problemahin with that one. So I have to place this one here. Yan. So the other things dito muna sa side. So let's check out first the controller. Okay, so this one is my favorite controller sa dalawa ko na unbox before compared sa dalawa kanina. Because this one actually has a label kung para saan yung button sa yon. So again, the controller is very similar to a game controller. We got here the analog over here. This one is the speed. This one is for flip. So if you want to do some tricks, you just need to press the shoulder buttons. We need to check out the manual kung ano pa ibang buttons. But what I appreciate is that it has a button na nakasulat na take off. We have here another one for landing and for stop. This one is really cool and really awesome sa mga katulad ko na, actually ako kahit ilang beses ko na siya binabasa, lagi pa rin ako nalilito. But when we have these labels, mas maganda yung pagpapalipad natin. So na tayong problema with that one. So we need to actually read yung manual niya kung para sa kung ano ba yung controllers niya. So we just figure out that the manual is actually different din sa controller na kalagay design, which is common to most drones that came from China. This isn't the first time na ganito yung experience ko. But again, what I like about this one is the controller is actually user-friendly compared to the other controllers that we have unboxed before. So meron tayong dalawang button, actually 4 buttons pa with just the icon. This one is parang compass, while the other one is like landing. It's a little bit confusing na hindi mo alam, pero once you try it out, wala ka na magiging problema dito sa VISUO na drone. So let's talk about the drone. So yan, so we have here the drone. Yan. Oh. Yan, so we have here the drone. So the propeller is actually foldable, so mas portable siya. And it's actually similar to other drones that we have unboxed before. So wala namang magiging problema regarding that one. Well, the propeller is actually really solid and medyo matigas siya, which is I like kasi feeling ko mas matibay siya. And what I like about it is that we have propeller guard. So all you need to do is actually place the propeller guard here. Yan. So what are the propeller guards for? So ginagamit yung propeller guards para hindi ma-damage yung drones kahit bumagsak siya or mag-crash siya, or protection lang para sa mga nagpapalipad ng mismong drone. So the build quality, well, it's plastic. There's a hollow feeling dito sa part na to, which is medyo off ako doon. But the color, I really like the color of this one. Mukha naman solid, feels solid to the hand kahit well, medyo hollow feeling. Hindi naman siya ganong, hindi siya cheap actually sa pakiramdam. And we actually turn this one on. So you have to figure out where the, ayan, okay. So meron tayo switch sa ilalim. Switch. And there we go. As you can see, we got here the 4 LED lights. Yan, meron tayong LED lights din sa unahan. This one is really useful, lalo na pag gabi. Nagtitake kayo ng video, yan. This one is really useful. And again, the camera is located here sa unahan. Okay, so let's check out the battery of this one. So let's turn it off. The battery is actually located here. Need to slide it this way. Yan, there we go. So the battery is here, and as you can see here, madali siya i-charge because all you need is the micro USB. Just plug in the micro USB here. Yan. You plug in the USB here, port here, tapos charger, then charge na kagad siya. So wala namang magiging problema when it comes to charging. So madali naman siya gamitin, madali siyang i-adjust or anything. So yeah. I guess that's it for our unboxing and hands-on the VISUO XS809W drone. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And again, if you are interested in this one is available at Lazada. The Steve Kyle Marketing, so the 0.3 megapixels at drone ng variant na to is available for $2,698, while the 2 megapixels is available for $2,998. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course, don't forget to hit the like button. So once again, I'm JumpOnline.ph, and thanks for watching unboxing hands-on of the VISUO XS809W drone.